market offering led by Jefferies. They've been selling every day for the company, raising money for the company. This, of course, as Jim pointed out, since the stock rose dramatically. Now, by the way, they did 45 million shares and raised almost $1 billion. Then they did another 75 million, which they've now completed raising, as you just said, about $2.1 billion. So you are talking about Jim, you asked me about Paramount. Is there anything you can remember that's similar to this? A company raising $3 billion? What percent of the market cap of this was this?
The company is $10 billion. They have $3 billion. They have almost no debt. They have that
so they
piece
raised
of paper
30% of their market value.
The big issue was the leases
in cash.
He could right now write checks to whoever he has, Simon Properties, doesn't matter. Get out of he can pick the 3,000 bad GameStops. He could close them. He can then open another company. And this is no longer GameStop. This is SPAC. It's a Ryan Cohen SPAC, and this will be his chance to really demonstrate that he's a great business person and do Chewy too.
It's a great point. In many ways, you're right. It's like it's a blind pool of capital that he has control of now as the CEO of the company.
With no debt.
That was raised thanks to a gentleman named Roaring Kitty.
Right.
Who's virtually incomprehensible when I watched him on Friday.
Meantime, Jim, you talk about the bears being in retreat. Citron says no longer short.
Yeah.
Says we respect the market's irrationality and calls that live stream an insult to capital markets.
An insult. Okay, so the other side of that is, if you're a Redditor like I am, it was funny.
Oh, you're a Redditor now, huh? Is that what you call yourself?
Well,
a Redditor like I am.
Okay, so my daughters are real Redditors, right? And I said something against Roaring Kitty, and I got...
Dad, you don't get it.
GameStop was up 14%. It is down a little bit after hours. Take a look at the news here. It says Rolling Kitty doubles down. Latest update shows trader group GameStop stake to over 9 million shares. So they do have their shareholder meetings tomorrow. It was supposed to be today, but they had technical difficulties. So I think the stock is going to go up pre-market and in the morning before the annual meeting. Buy more GameStop shares today.